Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be working on this wristwatch. It needs a new battery and it doesn't have a easy way to get at it in the back. It's not a pry type. You got to turn this thing. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you that you can design and 3D print a tool that will remove this. So what we're going to use here, because the little pegs out of plastic are going to be not strong enough to grab this and turn it without breaking. So what I plan to do is use a couple of bits out of this kit. And I've already looked at this and found that the T, so this is a tamper-proof torque, number 7 is one that will work. And also a standard torque. Let me get this thing to focus. Standard torque T5. And if you look carefully here, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. You can see that that fits in there pretty nicely. So we're going to make a tool that's going to hold these. And the diameter of this 4 millimeters. So at its widest, it's 4.4 and 4 on the flat sides. So let's jump on the computer real quick and try to design one that will work for this purpose. Guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell, and leave some comments. I love reading the comments and do my best to get back to you guys as soon as I see them. All right, let's jump right into it. First thing you want to do is create a document. So I'm just going to call this watch battery removal tool. And click on the little blue button on the bottom, create public document. And the back of the watch has 6 tool points altogether, so it's essentially a hexagon. So I'm going to create a sketch on the top plane. And select the hexagon tool. And press N on the keyboard to straighten things out. And when you click on this, after you click the first time, it'll give you the option of how many sides you want. So you just move the mouse in and out to select the amount of sizes. Then I'm going to click this coincide tool and align it with this vertical line. And then I'm going to give this thing an approximate size. Now this distance here is the distance between the 2 center points of 2 of the tool marks on the back of the watch. And for me it was 26 millimeters. And this is a woman's watch, so it's a little smaller. If you're working with a man's watch, then the distance is going to be a little greater. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to 1,000 times speed, because this did take me some time to design. I'll kick on some music, and if you guys want to watch the step-by-step, just slow down the video and kill the music, and you'll be able to follow along. All right, guys, so here's the tool. And I don't know that it's going to need all 6 of the points. I saw some of the tools that I looked at for this type of job. They had 2, some had 3. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm gonna set 3 in here. That way it'll give us more stability. It won't be rocking back and forth because it'll have that third leg. All right, so let's insert the tools in here. All right. And there you go. All right, so now we can get at the little battery and replace it easily. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell, and leave some comments. I love reading the comments and do my best to get back to you guys as soon as I see them. Alright guys, this video is a wrap. See you in the next one.